to my channel. I hope you all are having a terrific day. I am very excited. I finally received my September Facetory. If you're not familiar with Facetory, they offer two different subscriptions. They have the FOURever Fresh, which gives you 4 sheet masks, and then they have like a 7 Luxe, and you get 7 masks, but they're a little bit more fancy, I guess. Like I said, I go with the FOURever Fresh because that would in general be 1 a week, but also because I get sheet mask in other subscription boxes, I don't think, you know, I need the 7. The FOURever Fresh, I know with tax and everything, is like $8.90 a month, $8.90, so it's really not bad. I'll make sure to put a link to their website down below if you would like to sign up. And we're just going to go ahead and dive in here and take a look at what mask we got for September. The one thing about Facetory is, if I'm not mistaken, based on when you sign up, like when in the month you sign up, is based on when the product ships. So because I signed up towards the end of the month, the first month I signed up, that's why I get them later in the month or even into the next month. So this is September's September FOURever Fresh. So let's see what this is. It's a cute card. Happy September and happy fall. It's the month of new beginnings and a new season. This month we want to encourage all of you out there to take a step back from the busyness of life, to sit back, relax, and make sure you are taking care of yourself, both inside and out. Whether it be eating a healthy meal, going on a jog, or doing your skincare routine, along with a sheet mask, of course. We want you to glow from the inside out. They do have a code here. I will put it down below. This is if you wanted to go ahead and pay for an annual membership. You can use the code RESET10 and you'll get 10% off of the annual membership. So basically, well, no, it would be more than 1 month free. And the thing too with Facetory, if you go in and you review your masks, you end up getting points, and you can cash them in, you know, for like $2 off, $5 off, different things like that. So and then we have the card here telling us about each of our masks and the cost. So we are just going to dive in and see what we got this month. So the first one I am pulling out is a green tea mask. Let's see. Have to reference the card because they are Korean sheet masks, so everything is, I'm unable to read. All right, so this is by Botanic Farm Green Tea Mask. Did you know that green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet? So sit back and sip on your green tea as you sheet mask away. Key ingredients and benefits. Grapefruit extract. I could talk today. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, this extract provides anti-aging benefits by evening the skin tone and fighting off free radicals. And then the green tea extract is also rich in antioxidants. This ingredient provides anti-aging properties while helping to maintain firm and elastic skin. It's a retail price of $2.50. So again, that was the green tea mask. Let's grab another one. And we got a tea tree mask. Moksha Deer Tea Tree Mask. Tea tree is a highly coveted ingredient for its ability to even out your skin tone while also helping to reduce acne or scarring. Key ingredients and benefits. tea tree leaf oil. Contains antiseptic and anti-inflammatory to help lighten scarring and restore the skin's natural oil balance. And then witch hazel extract, a natural astringent that helps remove excess oils from the skin. It's a $3 value. That's pretty awesome. I'll definitely be doing a mask tonight. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a lavender. Let's see. Herbs Fit Sheet Mask in lavender. It's almost see-through. You can actually see the mask in there. Doesn't the sight of lavender just bring you instant relief? Using lavender extract, an ingredient that promotes good health and well-being, this mask will work to provide relief to sensitive skin. The key ingredients and benefits: lemon fruit extract contains vitamin C and citric acid to combat acne, working to promote bright and glowing skin. Lavender extract contains both antiseptic and antifungal benefits to combat bacteria, heal wounds, and prevent breakouts. And Centella acidica leaf extract. High in antioxidants, this ingredient fights inflammation and helps reduces hyperpigmentation. And it obviously does not have on here that word, so I don't know if I said it correctly or not, but this is $3. So as you guys can see, we are already at $8.50. We have one more mask. The subscription with tax and everything is like $8.90. So I mean, it's basically like buying 3 and getting 1 free. So, oh, this is pretty. This is actually a Facetory mask. It's a 2-step. They're both hydrating. Step 1 is a hydrating ampule. Step 2 is the hydrating mask. And it says, whoa, that H2O. It's really cute. So let's see about this one. Whoa, that H2O. Show yourself some loving by taking care of your skin with our 2-step hydrating mask. Using a, I'm not sure if it's Cooper or Cupra sheet. This 2-step mask containing an ampule and sheet mask is packed with ingredients to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. I cannot talk, y'all. I'm stumbling all over my words. Key ingredients and benefits. Step 1, open the soothing ampule and gently pat it down. This one has jasmine flower extract, which contains moisturizing properties while also protecting the skin with its antibacterial properties. Step 2, open the hydrating mask and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to let your skin soak in all the nutrients. Ceramide, which is a hydrating agent that helps retain the skin's moisture levels by strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. And then sodium hyaluronate. This right here. I don't even know if it's focusing. But that. Great water binding ingredient that provides moisture to dry skin. And this is a $5 mask. This is more like what would be in like the 7-pack. Whereas we may get like $2 and $3 value sheet masks. They're usually more, that's why that, not only do you get more masks, but the price is more. I want to say it's like 15 something, and then with tax and everything, it comes to like 19-ish, but I'm not exactly sure. I do know, like I said, that this one, I pay $8.90 a month, so. But yeah, so those are our 4 masks. We have the actual Facetory mask here with the Whoa, that H2O hydrating mask. And again, we had the Herbs Fit sheet mask in lavender. the tea tree, and it also has with the witch hazel mask, and then the green tea. So that's Facetory for September 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please, or if you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think of Facetory. If you use it, if you are thinking about using it, just ask me some questions. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will see all of our future unboxings. Otherwise, excuse me, I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.